Hello YouTube, this is Bassman channel. Today we're having a special unboxing of a new device, a compact, very compact CD player from Shanling. It's the EC3, black version, black color, European voltage. Okay, first of all, we have the warranty card. We have a magnificent black remote control. As we can see, okay, in this case we have the cover, the lid. This lid is made from glass. You touch it from here. No, sorry, this is the upper side. Some people say it's not too practical, but from what I can see, you can catch it very well and keep it. But this the most definite thing is that you have to be very careful in case it breaks. So let's put it here. This is the remote control. It has a preamp function, so as you can see, you can increase and decrease the volume and mute, apart from the classic functions of a CD player. And I think it's the same remote control for the other devices of the same line, so you can choose sources, small, practical, and black also. Now also, this is for moisture. Okay, they supplied a cable 2 meters long, EC13 Suco. Now let's see what from under what there is. Okay, now this is the CD player. Πάρε το κουτί. Πάρε το κουτί. Okay, this is the player. Very well packaged. It's heavy enough. It's near 4 kilos, I think. I'm not exactly sure. Very nice packaging from Shanling. Τράβα την πετσετούλα παλά. Τράβα. And this is the CD player. It is amazingly beautiful. This is now unpacked. Let's put the cover of it. And see it from close. Shanling logo. Headphone. USB. I think it's covered. Wow, you can take it off and off. Very beautiful. The screen, volume, and menu joystick. This is nothing. It might be the IR receiver. It's quite compact, but also very heavy. Let's see it from behind. Bluetooth antenna, analog outputs, and digital outputs, and coaxial and an optical. Turn on, turn off button, serial number, a marvelous design, a compact design, very beautiful. We will use it soonly We'll turn on the screen also to see it, and we'll come back with a detailed review. Now, where are we going to connect it? To our REST system. You have seen some videos. Akai AM-2950, if Zen phone 3, Technics Tentable, and Indiana line UTA5. Thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe. Bassman Audio.